The next step is to install the Zuri perimeter or trim cap. This cap must be installed around the entire exposed perimeter of the deck. Areas that abut a wall are not necessary. We recommend fastening the perimeter trim to the framing with cap Torx screws through the front of the trim and either the camo or ebb tie system through the back. Fastener spacing should be every 12 inches for the camo fastener and every 12 inches for the ebb tie fastener. Here's Steve Mitchell to sum it up.
When running the perimeter trim around the deck, we ask that you glue all miter joints to maintain that nice finished look, but within 6 feet of that miter joint, we ask that you give us an expansion joint or a butt joint. This area should not be glued, and as illustrated here, we try to disguise that behind a post or some obstacle on the deck. Rule of thumb would be any miter cut should be PVC glued. Any straight 90 degree should be coated with the end coat and no glue applied. That'll allow for the expansion.